Hello everyone, thank you for wonderful feedback. I received request messages for English or Hindi videos. It's not possible to deliver a lecture in Hindi videos because it's not my mother tongue. I can read and write Hindi once upon a time, but I can't speak Hindi. In future, I will try my level best multilingual videos. Okay, let's get into the video. Text number 1, Indian Penal Code. We can try the Indian Penal Code on category wise with practical headings, because everyone knows simple words. For example, male, female, animal, property, government, judiciary. Male, in Hindi it is called ladka. Female, in Hindi ladki. Animal, in Hindi जानवर. Property, in Hindi संपत्ति. Government, in Hindi सरकारी. Judiciary, in Hindi न्यायालय. We can divide with simple headings. These are all practical headings. For example, men and women, male and female. The relevant section for men and women or male and female, section 8 of IPC, section 8 of Indian Penal Code regarding gender. Section 8 says about ling. The person, he, and its derivatives are used of any person, whether male or female. And another connectivity, section 10, Purush or Stri. It means man, woman. The word man denotes a male human being of any age. The word woman denotes a female human being of any age. So we can connect this word with sections. Then next, animal, जानवर. For example, section 428 and 429. It is connected with animal. Section 428, mischief by killing or maiming animal. Section 429, mischief by killing or maiming cattle. It means killing or injuring any animal as a cognizable offence. So, under section 428 and 429 Indian Penal Code provides for punishment of all acts of cruelty such as killing, poisoning, maiming or rendering useless of animals. So it is connected with animal. Next one, property. For example, section 22 of Indian Penal Code says about movable property. It includes corporeal property of every description except land and things attached to the earth or permanently fastened to anything which is attached to earth. Next one, government. In Hindi it is called sarkari. Connected section, section 17. The word government denotes the central government or the government of a state. So another connectivity word, judiciary. So we can connect two sections, section 19 and section 20. Section 19 says about judge. Section 20 says about court of justice. So likewise we can categorize the sections by way of simple headings. Okay, thank you very much.